Hello, my name is Kirsten Miller. I am a counselor with Columbia College Counseling, and this is a tutorial on how to use Google Hangout for purposes of counseling online. The first thing you will need is an appointment with a counselor. You can do that in two ways. Go face-to-face to our office in Sequoia 120 to make the appointment, or you can call us at 209-588-5109 and make that appointment over the phone. We'll need an email address that is going to be associated with your Google Plus account, which I'll talk you through in a minute. And you'll also need to know what you'd like to accomplish in the appointment and let the scheduler know that as well. Now, in order to participate in the Google Hangout, you need a Google Plus account. If you don't already have a Gmail account, you can create one. It will prompt you to sign in or to create an account. You can use your student email account to create one, or you can create your own Gmail account. I'm going to sign in with one of my accounts, and I'm actually going to invite myself to the Hangout with my other account. So it's going to be kind of funky, but you'll get the picture. So now that I've logged in, it recognizes that I'm me, and I will then be invited to a Hangout. You log in to yourself, you get your home page, which is kind of like Facebook. You get a variety of news feeds and whatnot. You can go down to this area that has Hangouts, or even look on the side over here where it gives you a bunch of options for a Hangout. Okay, now I have just received an invitation from Kirsten, and I am going to accept that video call, and hopefully you will accept your counselor's call. I'm going to turn off that feedback, and this is going to give me multiple warnings throughout our recording, but we can ignore that. And anyways, let's go forward here. So now we are in a video chat with the counselor. And if you didn't have that thing pop up, there are multiple ways to see the Hangout. But now that we are in the Hangout, you see me down here in the corner, but that's actually going to be you and anybody else involved in the Hangout. We can have up to 10 people at a time. You might be part of a group counseling session. If you've scheduled it individually, obviously it would just be you and the counselor. And you would see the counselor here in this window. Let me show you a little bit of some of the features here. There's a chat box that opens up this group chat side, and the little text box down here just works like an instant messenger. You can type things in there. Maybe we need help spelling something. I just spelled hello wrong, but let's try that again. We might type in a website that we'd like you to explore while we are working together, and then you can open it up directly from that link. So there's all kinds of ways to use the chat feature. There is also some settings up here you can use to control the volume, turn off your webcam, mute like I'm doing, invite more people, adjust your settings. There's also a screen share feature, and we might be using this in a counseling session to share our screen with you. There's no takeover of a screen, but we can show you how to navigate, say, Connect Columbia or a website we're sharing together. We will not be sharing any confidential documents, say like your transcripts, via the screen share, mostly because Google is a free service and their eyes see everything, and we don't want to compromise any of your confidential data. So we'll just not share that in a online environment. There are also other fun tools here that we might use eventually, but in general, that is how a Google Hangout works. I hope that this was helpful to you. I hope that we will see you online, and we'll be able to help you navigate your educational goals. Thanks.